breaking down, breakdown. Hello language enthusiasts! Today, we're going to dive deep into the term, breakdown. You might have come across this term while reading, speaking, or listening to English. Let's unpack the various meanings and usages of this versatile phrase. Breakdown can be divided into two separate words, break and down. In its most literal sense, it means to disassemble, dismantle, or destroy the structure of something. Example: the car had a breakdown on the highway, so we had to call for help. Apart from the literal meaning, breakdown is frequently used in a figurative sense. 1. Emotional breakdown refers to a person being overwhelmed by emotions, stress, or anxiety. Example: 2. After working continuously for weeks, she had an emotional breakdown. 3. Analysis or examination, to separate something into its basic elements for a detailed examination. Example: 4. Let's do a breakdown of the movie's plot. Breakdown can also be part of phrasal verbs or idioms. Some of these might include: 1. Breakdown, verb, refers to the act of something ceasing to function. Example: 2. My computer broke down last night. 3. Break it down, idiom, a phrase used to ask someone to explain something in simpler terms or show it step by step. Example: 4. I didn't understand the process. Can you break it down for me? Breakdown is a word with multiple meanings and usages in English. Depending on the context, it can refer to a malfunction, an emotional state, or an analysis of something. Always pay attention to the context to understand its correct meaning. We hope this video has clarified the term, breakdown, for you. Keep exploring and enriching your vocabulary.